Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 on Dell XPS 13 and change the BIOS setup on your Dell XPS 13. So first of all you need to check if you have the USB port or Type-C port. So if you have a USB port, then you can make a bootable USB with normal USB drive. Or if the laptop doesn't have a USB port, you need to make a Type-C USB and make a bootable USB with that. And make sure your laptop is plugged in because the process takes time. You don't stop halfway around. So plugged in the USB. Now I'm going to press the power button. The power button is the right top corner. So press the power button once and we're gonna go to BIOS settings. So keep on pressing F2. Now we are in the BIOS. So this laptop is on legacy mode. So I've kept it on legacy mode. So if you wanna change it to EFI mode, so I'm gonna show you how we keep it when we want to install from legacy boot. So we'll make USB storage drive at the top. So just select it and then press top arrow key and then keep that on, and we'll go to secure boot and then make sure it's disabled. And if you have UEFI mode enabled, just go on to boot sequence and click on UEFI and then go on to secure boot and make sure the secure boot is enabled. Then click apply and then you can install with UEFI setting, boot setting. So we are using the legacy mode. So we'll select legacy and untick it and then take USB storage, your first option, to boot, and then we'll make sure secure boot is disabled and then we'll click apply, tick yes and then OK. Now we'll exit, and if the laptop restarts it will start booting from the USB. But it's not is restarting. Press any key to boot from USB. So press enter. Now select next. Click install now. We'll accept the terms and condition and then click next, and we'll put custom install only, Windows only. We'll delete partition if there is any partition and select it and then click next, and Windows will start to copy from the USB. This process takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your computer speed. Now laptop is restarting. We'll take the USB drive off and then let the laptop restart. Now your Windows laptop is ready with Windows 11 installed. Now you can just select your preferred settings and set up how you like your Windows 11 to be. You can name your account. So I'm just gonna write user. I'm not gonna put any password on. Now your Windows 11 Dell XPS 13 laptop is ready. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.